in the heart of the Central Intelligence Agency. Headquarters in Langley, Virginia, stands an enigmatic sculpture that has baffled the world's greatest cryptanalysts for decades. Known as Kryptos, this mysterious artwork has become a symbol of secrecy and intrigue, captivating the imagination of curious minds around the globe. Join us on a riveting journey as we delve into the depths of the Kryptos Sculpture, exploring its origin, deciphering its cryptic messages, and unveiling the secrets it holds. Section 1. The Enigma of Kryptos Unveiled. To kickstart our exploration, we immerse ourselves in the enigmatic beauty of the Kryptos Sculpture. Crafted by renowned artist Jim Sanborn, Kryptos was installed in the CIA compound in 1990. We delve into the symbolism and aesthetics of the artwork, which features 4 distinct encrypted messages etched into its copper surface. The fascination begins as we decipher the hidden meanings and contemplate the purpose behind its creation. Section 2. The cryptic messages. Our journey into the heart of Kryptos begins with the first encrypted passage. We analyze the intricacies of the coded text, attempting to unravel the secrets concealed within the elaborate cryptographic puzzle. We explore various decoding techniques and share the efforts of code-breaking enthusiasts who have dedicated countless hours to unlock the message. Section 3. The cryptic messages. With determination and intrigue, we proceed to the second encrypted section of Kryptos. Our quest for answers leads us to examine historical encryption methods, linguistic patterns, and the mathematical complexities involved in cracking the code. Despite numerous attempts, this segment continues to elude cryptanalysts, leaving us with an enduring mystery. Section 4. The unsolved third message. As we delve into the third cryptic message, we encounter an even greater challenge. The complexities of this section have resisted all attempts at decryption, evoking widespread speculation and theories from enthusiasts worldwide. We explore the leading hypotheses and join the global community in their relentless pursuit of the truth. Section 5. The revelation of the fourth message. Drawing closer to the conclusion of our journey, we uncover the last encrypted message on the Kryptos Sculpture. With determination and collaboration, a small group of experts finally managed to decrypt this elusive section in recent years. We delve into the revelations contained within the fourth message and discuss its significance in the context of the entire artwork. Section 6. The mind of the sculptor. Jim Sanborn's intentions to gain a deeper understanding of Kryptos. We venture into the mind of the artist, Jim Sanborn. We explore his motivations, artistic philosophy, and the inspiration behind this unique sculpture. Understanding the creator's vision provides us with fresh perspectives on the puzzle's complexity and the possible hidden messages he intended to convey. Section 7. The legacy of Kryptos. A global quest. The mystery of Kryptos has transcended borders, captivating individuals and communities worldwide. We investigate the enduring impact of this enigmatic sculpture, inspiring a global quest for knowledge and igniting a passion for code breaking and cryptography. Section 8. Theories and speculations. As we near the end of our journey, we delve into the myriad theories and speculations surrounding Kryptos. From government conspiracies to extraterrestrial connections, we explore the wild yet intriguing hypotheses that have arisen over the years. As our journey through the enigmatic world of Kryptos comes to a close, we find ourselves immersed in a web of complexity and fascination. Decades after its installation, the Kryptos Sculpture continues to captivate our minds, pushing the boundaries of code breaking and inspiring us to explore the hidden mysteries of the world around us. As we stand before this enigmatic masterpiece, we are reminded that the quest for knowledge and truth knows no bounds. With each passing day, new minds join the global effort to unlock the secrets of Kryptos, reminding us that the pursuit of knowledge is a never-ending journey, filled with wonder and intrigue. Step into the world of Kryptos and join us in deciphering one of the most captivating cryptographic puzzles in history.